Hi there. If you're looking to improve your English conversation skills, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through some tips and techniques that can help you communicate more effectively in English. Tip 1. Practice. Practice. Practice improving your English conversation skills requires consistent practice. Start by setting aside some time every day to practice speaking English. You can do this by speaking to yourself in English, reading out loud, or finding a language partner to practice with. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become with your English skills. Tip 2. Learn new vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary is essential for improving your English conversation skills. Make a habit of learning a few new words every day and using them in your conversations. You can use vocabulary building apps, read English books or articles, or watch English videos to learn new words. Tip 3. Listen to native speakers. Listening to native English speakers can help you improve your pronunciation, intonation, and comprehension skills. You can listen to English podcasts, watch English movies or TV shows, or attend English speaking events in your community. Pay attention to how native speakers speak, and try to imitate their tone and rhythm. Tip 4. Focus on fluency over accuracy. While it's essential to speak English accurately, focusing too much on grammar and syntax can hinder your fluency. Instead, focus on speaking fluently and expressing your thoughts and ideas clearly. Don't worry too much about making mistakes. Instead, focus on communicating effectively. Tip 5. Ask for feedback. Asking for feedback from others can help you identify your weaknesses and areas for improvement. You can ask your language partner, teacher, or native English speaker for feedback on your conversation skills. Take their feedback constructively and work on improving your weaknesses. Improving your English conversation skills takes time and effort. But by following these tips and techniques, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and effective English speaker. Remember to practice consistently, expand your vocabulary, listen to native speakers, focus on fluency, and ask for feedback. Good luck on your language journey.